Good morning, everyone. Nowadays, in many shows, students are required to wear uniform. Some people agree with this idea, but others think it limits in personal freedom. Speaking of opinion and arguments, in my opinion, student should wear school uniform. I believe this for the main research. This creates qualified research, while and helps students focus on learning. Firstly, uniform create equality because all students look the same and nobody is judged for the clothes they wear. Secondly, reduce bullying since there are fewer opportunities. Secondly, they reduce bullying since there are fewer opportunities to make fun of others for their style or brand of clothing. Finally, uniform helps students concentrate on studying instead of worrying about what to wear every day. For example, in my school, when students wear uniform, there are fewer complaints about fashion and trends. Also, teachers often say that students behave more seriously when they are in uniform. To some school uniforms are a possible rule because they bring equally reduce bullying and support learning the way I strongly believe students should wear them. Thank you.